Hello, happy Wednesday. How's everybody doing? I hope you all are doing well. Thanks for joining me. Today, we're back to fall decorating and I'm gonna share a big mirror that I got on Amazon. I love it. Compared to a lot of mirrors its size, I feel like the price point was pretty darn good. And what I like about this mirror is it's not super heavy. So it looks big, it looks substantial, but it's lightweight. Okay, so right here, this is a huge round mirror. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to hang it or lean it. Now, I will tell you, I purchased something, it's coming today. I have 4 items that are going to be suspended in the ceiling. 2 here and 2 here. I want to drop one higher, one lower, but we'll have to see because I'm not sure on the length of the cable. But in any case, I'm kind of thinking I want to lean it today. If my idea works out, I will most likely hang this on the wall, maybe about right there. So anyway, you can see I've got Mr. Crow out. I got him on Amazon last year. I just dug through one of my boxes and I thought, oh, I have to bring him back. He's too cute. I mean, just look at him. So basically this week, I'm trying to get this basement done. We are having a little party on Sunday, and so I want the basement to feel like we've been here, not like, we just moved in. So if you could see what this basement looked like just 2 days ago, you would be saying, Liz, how did you get it done? Anyway, I basically tore apart my storage room again, added some more shelving, went through a ton of boxes, donated a bunch of stuff. Actually, I just said free, come get it. And that worked out well. That really did, which allowed me to free up some space for my seasonal decor because what you saw out previously was my everyday decor. Let me take you in there because there are a lot of boxes now, but I did get everything organized for the most part. Okay, so let me show you what I did. So this right here is all Christmas. This right here is more fall. I've got Easter over here. I have purged so much. If you guys remember my old storage room, you will know that I've gotten rid of a ton. It doesn't look like it, but I have. And this is like my summer spring decor, and I just decided to keep it in the boxes for now. There's actually room on these shelves. I just wanted to get everything that I could on the shelves, and I thought, you know what, I'll deal with that later. But anyway, I've got to deal with that and put that in a closet. I've got a closet down here, and this is like my everyday decor. Over here, I have some lamps. Now, right here, I have a whole bunch of lamps in boxes. And what I've done over the last year is anytime I see lamps that I like that go on deep sale or clearance, I grab them. A lot of the lamps are like $79 for a set of 2. And so, I grab them when the price is good. And I have yet to still open them because I'm still working on the house. So as I go and I go, oh, I need a lamp here or there, I can just come down here and get one. But anyway, I just love my little storage room, and this is fall. This is fall right here that I'm still digging into. I don't think I shared these with you. I don't know what got into me one day, but I was on Amazon and I'm like, those are unique. I'm going to get those. And so I got 3 of them. And boy, do they let off a lot of light. Except I did something really stupid. I didn't get the Edison bulbs with the amber glow. So these are more of a cool white, which I don't like. So when these start to go, I'm going to reinvest in the amber colored ones because it just looks so pretty, or a warm white. I like warm white. I don't like cool white. And I think that's what these are. Okay, so back to over here. This is 42 by 42. So it is a large mirror. And I want to work a vignette across the top and make it look really cute for fall. So to start, I have this big lantern. And believe it or not, I found it at Ross. These 2 were separate. So I bought the lantern and then this was sitting next to it. And I thought that would look kind of high end inside this lantern. So I'm gonna set this on the corner. Then I have a bag of some bowl filler, and I just like the colors. So I'm gonna put some of this on the bottom and then sit a candle on top. Okay, now I have this garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's not long enough to go the span of the table, so I'm just gonna make it work. So right here, I've got the little blackbird, and I kind of want to put him in the leaves. Let me play with that a second. Now I have some of this stuff. I can't remember what it's called. But anyway, I'm going to try to put some up here. So because I have something tall on the end, I want to balance it out with this wheat right there. Okay, so I have 2 of these plates, and I think these were from Walmart. And then I just got these 2 platters from Amazon, and they're my favorite Porcelain checker plates. And then I have 2 plate stands, so I'm going to try to do something with these. Okay, so I think that looks really cute, so I'm going to move it down below. Okay, so that's what I have going on, but now I want to build on this. So now I just added a little bit of texture to kind of warm it up. So I want to conceal that outlet. I thought I would put it there. And now I have this wheat, but I need to elevate it. So I'm going to set it on this stool. And then I have another one of these little pumpkins. You can see the stems are different on each one. will wrap up my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Come back and see me on Friday because, like I said, I've got a few things in the works down here and I can't wait for you to see them. If you wouldn't mind, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. I would love to hear from you down in the comments. And if you don't want to say anything, just a little emoji would mean so much. It just lets me know you're here and you watched. Also, friends, I just want to remind you guys that I have fabulous fall storefronts for you to see. I really think it's one of the best. I actually went shopping in my own store the other day and got some great items. So I hope you will check that out. If you're looking for some fall decor, I have one storefront that's more affordable fall decor, and then I have one that's more a little bit on the higher end. So, you know, if you want to splurge, you can. If you want to go more budget friendly, you'll have that storefront too. So it's the best of both worlds. All right, friends, I'll see you back here Friday. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, friends. Fall is in the air, and as usual, the wildlife keeps us entertained.